welcome to DPS Education. In this video we are going to learn about how to add links in HTML. So now let's start. We'll create a new page called links.html. Okay, so here we'll include the boilerplate. Yes, so title will give it as links. Okay, now we'll open it with a live server. So as you can see, the title has changed to links. Okay, now we'll come to the body part and we'll add an h1 tag. So inside the h1 tag we'll give it as below or links. So what are these links is when you click on the particular word, so we will mention the particular word for a particular link. When you click on the particular word, it will direct you to the another page which you have given the URL. So here we'll see, so below are links. So for example, so in the links we'll give it in an anchor tag. So we'll open here, we'll give it as A. After that we'll write as href. So this is href means a reference, and inside the double quotes we'll give a link, and afterwards we'll close the anchor tag. So this A tag we'll call it as an anchor tag. So after opening and the closing, in between here we'll write the word which we have to click to go to the next page. So here we'll write it as a Google. Okay, so here you can see, if we save it, here you can see the Google has appeared here. So now if you click, so it is not opening because we have not given the URL for this link. So the here we will give the URL in the href section. So here inside the double quotes we will give it as https://www.google.com. Okay, now here we'll save it, and here we can see now. So now you can see, if we click, we are redirected to the Google page. Okay, so this is what about links. So we'll see another link called we'll give it as YouTube. YouTube. Okay, so we'll save it, and we will open with a live server because the Google page has opened in the previous page. Okay, so here you can see YouTube. So here we'll give an BR tag. BR tag is for break, that is for the next line. So here you can see YouTube. If you click on YouTube, it will not open any page because here we have not given any URL for this. So here also we'll give one URL, https://www.youtube.com. Okay, now we'll click on this. So after clicking on the YouTube, here you can see the YouTube page has appeared. Okay, like this we'll give links in the HTML. Okay, so far you have seen, for example, we'll open with a live server. So here you can see, if we click on Google, so it will open it in the same page. So if we want, like wait just a minute, we'll cancel this, and here we can see. So we'll again open with a live server. So if we click on here, if we click on Google, it should open in the next page, in the next window. So this window has to be remain as it is. So for that, what we'll do is, so here inside the anchor tag, so here we'll give a command as target is equals to, inside the double quote we'll give it as _blank. So inside the target, inside the double quotes we'll give it as _blank, and now we will save and we can see now. So now you can see if we click on Google, so it is opening in the next page. So in the next window, so this page remains as it is, and here it is opening in the next window. So this is all about. And one thing you can see, for example, we will give another link. So inside the anchor, here we are not giving any reference, just for understanding purpose we will get as Facebook. Okay, Facebook. So here you can see Facebook is appeared in blue color and Google and YouTube are appeared in the purple color. So this is because after you visit a particular link, this link, the color will change to purple. For example, if you click on Facebook, if you visit the Facebook, then this Facebook color will change to purple. So this is what the difference you have to observe here. So why it has turned purple and why it has turned blue and all. Okay, so this is all about links, how to add links in the HTML. Thank you.